me Rehan and I am here with a new video of mine. If you have ever heard someone say, "That's a whole vibe," or "She ate and left no crumbs," and you just stood there confused, don't worry, you are not alone. Welcome to a whole new language, the world of Gen Z slang. It's fast, it's fierce, and it's literally changing how we communicate. In today's video, we are breaking down how Gen Z slang isn't just internet nonsense, it's actually a powerful, evolving form of modern communication. So, whether you are a millennial, a parent, or just curious, buckle up. Here is a list of contents that we are going to go through today with a variety of the slangs that Gen Z is using these days. Gen Z represents a dynamic and evolving set of expressions used predominantly by the Generation Z demographic, typically those born from the late 1990s to the early 2010s. This slang reflects their unique cultural experience and communication styles, often characterized by creativity, humor, and a digital first approach. So, the purpose of this to create an essential effective communication, bridging generational gaps, and gaining insights into contemporary youth culture. Here we go. First one, low key, high key, meaning something subdued, subtle, or any openly declared, often used to express a mild or secretive feeling. Conversely, high key represents something obvious, openly declared, or strongly felt. For example, I'm low key excited about the event. I'm high key excited. Vibe check, assessing moods and energy. The phrase vibe check is a casual way of assess the mood, atmosphere, or energy of a person, group, or situation. It serves as an informal social gauge to determine if the current environment is positive or negative. For example, people may perform a vibe check by asking directly or observing behavior to confirm if the vibes align with expectations or desires. It is often used humorously or critically in social settings and online interactions. Next, it's giving, that describes energy and style. It's a contemporary way to describe the vibe, aesthetic, or energy something or someone exhibits. For example, it's giving vintage vibes. This expression allows speakers to creatively attribute specific characteristics or feelings to objects, people, or situations. Next, I can't even, expressing overwhelm. It's a it's a phrase used to express a strong emotional reaction such as surprise, disbelief, frustration, or amusement. This phrase captures a dramatic or humorous tone, often leaving the sentence unfinished or emphasize the intensity of the speaker's feeling without specifying further details. Next is big yikes, acknowledging awkwardness. It's an intensified expression of embarrassment, discomfort, or acknowledgement of an awkward, cringe-worthy, or unfortunate moment. It is typically used in response to situations or statements that provoke second-hand embarrassment or highlight social fox pass, often in normal or online conversations. Living rent-free in my head. Persistent thoughts. The phrase living rent free in my head describing a situation where someone or something occupies one's thoughts incessantly, often without consent or desire, indicating an emotional or mental institutions. It is frequently used to express preoccupation with a person, idea, or event that is hard to forget or stop thinking about. Glow up. Positive transformation. A glow up refers to a significant positive transformation in a person's appearance, style, confidence, or overall demeanor, often implying reaching a new level of self improvement. This term celebrates personal growth and is commonly associated with development milestones such as adolescence to adulthood, highlighting self care, maturity, and empowerment. Next, no cap, expressing honesty. No cap is a slang phrase used to emphasize that the speaker is being truthful, serious, or genuine. It is typically appended to statements to underscore authenticity or to dispel any doubts about the honesty of the preceding message. Next, main character energy, confidence, and boldness. Main character energy conveys a sense of confidence, self assuredness, and the demeanor of a protagonist in one's own life story. often marked by bold decision making and a strong presence. This phrase encourages embracing individuality and taking control of one's narrative, reflecting a mindset of empowerment and self focus. That's a flex, showing off, a very well used in Gen Z, by the way. That's a flex. Is used to recognize and sometimes critique when someone is showing off or boasting about an achievement, possession, or attribute. Depending on tone and context, it can be playful, admiring, or sarcastic, highlighting social dynamics related to pride and status. Well, more often this being used as sarcastically. Next. So, conclusion of Gen Z slang in modern communication is this offers a rich insight into the values, humor, and communication styles of a generation shaped by digital media and rapid cultural shifts. Similarly, familiarity with these terms enhances cross-generational understanding and engagement. As language continues to evolve, staying attuned to emerging slang enables more authentic connections and reflects the dynamic nature of modern communication. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.